Amplify Your Understanding, mastering the phrase, amplify the sound. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, amplify the sound. This phrase is not just about volume. It's about enhancing your English skills too. So, let's dive in and discover what this phrase really means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. First, let's break down the word amplify. Amplify is a verb that means to increase something in strength, especially sound. It's like turning up the volume on your stereo. But it's not just about making something louder. It's about making it clearer and more noticeable. When we amplify something, we make it more powerful and impactful. Now, let's focus on the word sound in this context. In amplify the sound, sound refers to anything that can be heard, from music to someone's voice. It's the element that is being amplified. In our daily lives, we encounter many sounds that sometimes need amplification, like a person speaking in a large room or music at a concert. Let's see how to use amplify the sound in sentences. The technician adjusted the equipment to amplify the sound during the concert. Can you amplify the sound of the video? I can't hear the dialogue well. In a metaphorical sense, we need to amplify the sound of community voices to bring about change. Notice how in each example, the phrase is used to describe making a sound stronger or more distinct. Be careful not to confuse amplify with just increasing volume. It's more than that, it's about enhancing quality and clarity too. Also, remember that amplify can be used in both literal and metaphorical contexts. Try creating your own sentences using amplify the sound. Think of situations in your life where sound needs to be enhanced for better understanding or effect. This practice will help solidify your understanding of the phrase. I hope this video has helped you grasp the meaning and usage of amplify the sound. Remember, learning a language is like music to our ears, and every new phrase you learn amplifies your language skills. Keep practicing, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more learning content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.